Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Draw.io printing issues in 2026. So if your diagrams are not printing, pages are blank, or the print layout looks incorrect, this guide will help you fix it step by step. First, make sure your printer is connected properly and working with other applications. This helps confirm whether the issue is with Draw.io or the printer itself. Next, use the print preview option before printing. This lets you check page layout, scaling, and diagram visibility. Now verify that the correct printer is selected. Sometimes print jobs are sent to the wrong device or a virtual printer. Next, adjust the page scale and orientation settings. Large diagrams may require landscape mode or scaling to fit properly on the page. Now try exporting the diagram as a PDF first and then print the PDF. This often resolves formatting and printing problems. Next, update your printer drivers. Outdated drivers can cause blank pages, missing graphics, or printing errors. Now clear any stuck print jobs from the printer queue and try printing again. Next, check your browser settings if you're using the web version. Browser printing issues can sometimes affect the final output. Now update Draw.io and your browser to the latest versions to avoid compatibility problems. Finally, restart both your computer and printer, then perform another print test. And that's it. You've successfully fixed Draw.io printing issues. Now your diagrams should print correctly without formatting problems or errors. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.